So this is the NÜOBELL adjustable dumbbell, and yes, it rolls around in your hand if you hold it like this. But let's be honest, we're here to train our muscles, to get stronger. Are you really going to do curls with open hands? No, you're going to grip the damn dumbbell. You're going to hold it steady. And in today's video, I want to go even a little bit deeper into the rolling effect of this adjustable dumbbell. So this is the NÜOBELL adjustable dumbbell, as I said earlier, and you can adjust it by putting it into the cradle and just turning it like so, and boom, you have another weight of dumbbell. And yes, it is rolling around, and I know these things are a concern for people, because if you're paying $1,000+ for such a premium piece of exercise equipment, you want it to be the best thing ever. And in my opinion, it is the best thing ever, even though NÜOBELL sent me these. These are now my only adjustable dumbbells, and I'm very happy with them. Now, that being said, I got a question. Are they rolling into your hand? And yes, they are, as you can see, but that's only when you open your hand. If you grip the thing, it doesn't have the tendency to roll around. Now, talking about rolling around, I even find that this is a feature of this NÜOBELL. And you know why? If you grab this dumbbell, the way it wants to rotate is it wants to rotate with the numbers up. So, however I hold it, if I open up my hand, it always wants to go in the same direction. And this happens to be the direction you put this into the cradle. Boom. And putting the dumbbell into the cradle is not a big of a deal. It's not so difficult. But if you have a dumbbell that actually wants to go in the exact position it needs to go in order to put it into the cradle, that makes life even easier. So if you're going to curl, yes, you're going to feel a slight weight shift, but it's not going to roll out of your hand. And if you grip firm enough, which you should, this is not a big of a deal. And I think that the feature, or the fact that this rolls, and it never really occurred to me, only when I was researching it or like testing it for this video, is that yes, it does roll. But that's freaking awesome. How awesome is it? I don't know if it's intentional, but how awesome is it that the dumbbell just wants to be like number faced up in the same position that it has to sit on the cradle. So that's why I was never really thinking about this, but it's just great that if I just pick this dumbbell up, I do whatever with it, I let it loosely in my hand, and then it just wants to like let gravity do the work. And then, boom, you can set it into the cradle. Imagine if the dumbbell was like completely balanced and you have like a very heavy weight, and then you want to put it into the cradle, then you have to like be, how does it go? Yeah, that sucks. That would suck even more than just like, oh, you take whatever, you open it into the hand, boom, it wants to roll in a certain way, boom, you grab it, you put it down, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope that answers the question whether or not the dumbbell is rolling. Yes, it does, but it's actually pretty awesome. So I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace out.